why you do it drunk, crow?
Talk up the things, yeah. Talk up the vibe. Talk up, talk up.
Hey family, what a go on? Welcome back, and to all my new subscribers, welcome on board. Guys, me not even itch because as we all know, hurricane a come, and all when me nah do nothing, me have to just try look like me does look busy for ease off some of the anxiety. So me just busy, I do nothing because me done cook and me no know what else to do. Anyway, today we are going to talk about one little careless video where me see a circulate. Me walk up and down on the YouTube streets and me buck up in a little careless video. Yeah. You remember the little blondie are a part of the crew, the dumbass crew? Yes. Me did come out here the other day and address her. Well, me say, she do one video that she titled, Why Alicia Kim mother can't come to America. And me tell you, boy, you know, she liberty taking bad. Me have to borrow her friend line again. She just lick a bit on me case. And then draw for Gula. And in a Gula voice, me have to say, why you do it, drunk, girl? Me say, she is there assuming that the woman did not get the visa to come to America to be with her daughter. And I quote, she said, what if her background not clean? Then she itch on the lily part, allegedly.
But then me I said to myself, what if her background not so clean? Allegedly. What if her background is not that clean? Because you know, so when you not have a perfect record, you can't go big foreign. Because them search your thing, them do a police check and all of that. So me I say, me no know if I'm background not clean. Because, so me I say, why? Like, it shouldn't be so hard. Even now when time the baby almost due and the baby almost come. This is the perfect time for you to go look a visa. What make you can't look a visa? What happened? The only thing I can say is that in record not clean.
That is the assumption where she bring upon the young lady mother. No, this woman spent almost 10 minutes to speculate why AK mother is not in the US. Boy, it look like Audacity did the pan sale. And my girl just go down there go buy up one whole truckload of Audacity. Cause I don't know how she gets so much Audacity. She just enough, brother. How she want enough so? Them say blogging is freedom of speech. And everybody get the opportunity to have a YouTube channel where you can express yourself. And it is freedom of speech. But boy, when me know is that is not every idiot must be left alone with a smartphone. She there have diarrhea because she want to know why the lady can't get a visa. Me I tell you, you know, you just have some crablos who feel say because you let them in your space, you and them a bosom body. And so they can just come out and ask you anything they feel like to ask you. Every gibberish, every garbage will come to their mind. They must spew it out of their mouth. Some people just love run off them bickle mouth. All when they must spew filth. What give she the right for come question the integrity of the woman? But me realize say I saw she, Rumram and Boo walk and spread allegation and pretend like it is the truth. This woman need to start mind her own business and make some more responsible video. Now that AK mother is in the US, or maybe she's back in Jamaica because AK have a baby and all of them things. We don't know the people in business, but we know that she was there for the birth. So me I wonder now if she wipe off the ish off her mouth. Because some people just chat any little shh to get views and to tear down people. Girl, life can't so hard that you want others to be unhappy like you. Why you would think that about the woman? Do better, man. And make sensible content. You too little bit and no fan little bit and me case. As according to Rumram. You need to go easy, man, and stop the boosting from your subscriber them. You need to be kinder to people and be more respectful. No, man, you go on too much. What under God heaven would possess you if you come to think, say, the woman do something, her record no clean, that's why she no get no visa for come to America for be with her daughter for the birth. How you did come to that conclusion? Now that the woman there in America, I wonder what you say now. Somebody clean up her record for her. You need to go easy, man, and stop. You're too much. But anyway, me not go stay along with you today. I do just that me come to make you know. Because you know, as me say, me just busy doing nothing. Because me just anxious for the hurricane. So, me gone again until later. Bye.
Why you doing drunk?